Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Playing with the clone tool tonight, having a little fun. Um, I'm just going to start from scratch. Let's take a ellipse. We have to convert it to a circle or a curve first. I'm going to put it over here and then I'm going to go up to edit and I'm going to clone it. I'm going to take the new clone. So this is a clone curve. This is a control curve. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard so it won't duplicate it anywhere else. And then Control D, Control D, Control D. Anything that you do to this one, it's going to do it to all 5 of those rings. If we take this and put it up, if we take this and twirl it around, if we take this and just move it in, it's going to do everything you want. I mean, look at that. It looks like if you played with that a little bit more, it would look like an ellipse that has melted and running over an edge. You know, if you put a box underneath there or something. So you can do anything. You know, I started off with a polygon tool. Polygon tool is neat within itself because you can do things like this, but you can't, and you could probably clone it. But if for a polygon, you need to turn it into a curve and then clone it. I always like moving the control curve out of the way. Take this one and Control D, and then hold down the Shift key, Control D, Control D, Control D. Then anything you do to this one, it's going to do it to those. I don't know that you'd ever use it on a polygon shape, but any shape that you wanted to do something like that and get some weird, you know, even if you took, well, we need to back up, take the color away. So let's take the shape tool and turn these in, right click, turn them into a curve, and then curve these like we did the other ones. And it'll put bumps and ridges all over everything. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.